video will teach you how to use the free image balloon mosaic creator. You can use this to create balloon mosaics from any image that you upload. Let's get started. Navigate to balloonblowout.com. That should take you to the website. Go to the main menu, click Image Mosaic Creator. Scroll down until you see the Image Mosaic Creator form. Choose an image or upload an image of your own. We start off with the 21 grad symbol. See the preview in the grid? Let's try another one. Let's try the monster symbol. The preview also appears in the grid of an outline of the monster. Let's try one more. The unicorn, just as the others, appears with the outline. We can try to upload our own image by searching online for one. Let's look online for a mermaid. You go to Google and search for mermaid. Navigate to the image search. Under Tools, click Type, then Clip Art. We'll select the first mermaid that we see. Now right-click the image and save the image. You can choose to rename the image so you can find it easily when you browse. Save the image. Now go back to the form and browse. Now upload the mermaid image that we just found. Just as the others, it will also create a preview in the grid that will display an approximate measurement of how big the mermaid will be. Adjust the black and white threshold to increase or decrease the details. Choose a paper size and fill in your email address so we can send you a copy of the downloaded file. This process takes a while to generate, so please give it about a minute or two. You will receive both an email as well as a file download. Your download is ready. Go to your downloads folder and unzip the file. Unzip it and open the PDF file that's within the zip file. This PDF file represents a sliced up version of the image that you will use to create your balloon mosaic. Scroll through to ensure that all the pages are there. To preview how your image will look, download the GIMP image editor. Drag in your PDF file. It will present a grid layout. Expand the grid layout until you can see all the pages. Once the pages are visible, adjust it to the number of rows for your required image. This particular image has 4 columns and 4 rows. You can clearly see the image of the mermaid. Alternately, you can also access your download via your email. Navigate to your email client and you should see an email from info@balloonblowout.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the email to find the attachment and download the attached zip file. Open the zip file and extract the PDF and follow the instructions as previously shown. Now it's time to print. Select the print quality. For me, I selected draft and black and white to save ink. Then select the paper size. I chose the US letter. Ensure it's the same paper size you chose when downloading. Then go ahead and print. Now that you're done printing, you'll need a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Use your ruler to make lines along the right side and the bottom side of the margins of the paper. You need to cut along the margins to properly overlap each printed image. In stacks of 5, cut along the edge and remove the excess margin. That's it.